1212.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory.
Hello, Thomas.
New tomorrow.
How are
Do
you?
you feel special?
Tired.
Take back control of your investments.
How the meet was yesterday?
The what? The
Meat.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was very good.
Good here.
Oh, so freaking hangover.
Too much drink.
Yep. A little too much. Too long. I'm too old for this.
It happens.
Oh,
It's summer too, so
yeah, it was my birthday.
happy birthday, man.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. All right. Let's put some music on, and then we are going to analyze the market. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you
Yes.
see me?
Yes. But we don't hear music.
You should hear it now. Oh, God. When I go to bed after midnight, the next day I'm completely useless. This is how old I am. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Hello, Adrian.
Yes.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
Good. I'm good. Oh, boss is tired.
Oh, so freaking tired. We had a
Why?
barbecue last night, and yeah, we didn't finish early. That was a long night.
Extend a little bit.
Yeah, it hurts. It hurts as hell.
Oh,
Yeah.
Adrian, he had birthday yesterday.
sorry?
Thomas had birthday yesterday.
Oh, you got birthday yesterday, Thomas.
Yeah.
Thomas,
I'm
all the
celebrated
best
a little. Thank you so
from
much.
the bottom of my heart. God bless you, brother.
Oh, holy crap. We have Independence Day today, and tomorrow, 4th of July.
Yes, tomorrow is bank holidays.
Yeah. Which means that the markets will close early today.
Yes.
This is in Eastern Standard Time. Standard Eastern. Which means it's about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock p.m. Central European Time, 6-7 p.m. UK time. The markets will shut. So make sure, if you're not confident of your position, or if you're running in, if you feel it, just close it down before the market opens. Because for 2 days, the market is going to be, not for 2 days, but it's going to be shut for tonight. And we have a ton of data because tomorrow is Independence Day in the US. So some of the data have been shifted to today or scheduled for today, such as the continuing and initial jobless claims, which is coming up in 38 minutes. Now, usually this is presented to us on every Thursday, so as the PMI, but now everything is pushed to the same day. So we have ADP non-farm employment first in 23 minutes. Then we have the jobless claims. Then we have the PMI. And then we're going to have... Jobless was yesterday, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Powell
today,
was
one of the most important, or the most important data is ADP, jobless claims, and then the ISM PMI. Where is it? At 4 o'clock. I'm cautiously bullish on gold. As you can see, I have some running positions from yesterday. That's about 200 pips. And I'm expecting a continuation higher. But where is it gonna continue? Current price level, or is it going to pull back a little bit? We don't know. It doesn't matter what I draw in the charts, as I wrote in the Discord. It doesn't matter what I wrote or draw on the charts, trend lines and channels and whatever. It's data that's going to decide the direction of gold. Now, ADP is forecasted to be 163k versus 152, which is inflationary. Now, if the data is inflationary, what's going to happen is gold is going to sell off. But we need to factor in the standard deviation or the level of deviation. So let's start drawing up. It's the same game plan as every single time. I hope you guys already know what is the answer going to be. So if ADP is going to be lower, gold is going to fly. If ADP is going to be higher, meaning that more job creation is going in the US economy. Yeah, exactly. It's easy. Just like 1, 2, 3. Every week. But if the ADP or any jobs data isn't going to be, so we have to factor in the standard deviation. If it's within the standard deviation, may or may not, price is going to react the opposite, what we would expect. Meaning that if it's significantly lower, then gold is going to push. If it's in line with expectation, it can still push. But if it's significantly higher, then it's going to sell off. The reason why we need to speak about standard deviation is because we have to factor in the market sentiment, which is clearly bullish now. So this is just a help for you to know what to do and how to trade it. And I am thinking to enter into a buy position, another one, which is not wise for most of the people, but hence I'm only going to enter with one standard lot, because we have multiple probabilities, multiple price levels, but price can continue higher. So it can pull back and move higher, or it can move from the current price level. I'm fairly bullish on gold for various reasons. The US economy is still doing well, but we have many mixed data in the last few weeks. What do you think ADP is going to be? Higher or lower?
Well,
Hello,
yours
Mario.
was yesterday higher, and I think it's going to be higher.
And how did the market react to the higher jolts?
It was going up, then was going back to down.
It was up and down and up and down.
Most likely down, then midnight was going back up.
Just like a stripper stits, up and down.
Well, go on now for mania.
How you doing, brother?
I'm very good, man. Not trading, but I agree with your analysis. Money's gonna come into gold heavy.
Sorry. What is your reasoning behind that?
The state of the economy, where the money is flowing out of.
Yeah, recently, even so many uncertainty came back into the equation with the European-Chinese relations and possible trade wars. The commentary from President Biden and also the central bankers. All of that, if you bundle up everything, if you take into account everything, I think the level of uncertainty is increasing. The mixed data that we see every single day isn't helping us. But I think over time, because we have mixed data for so long now, I think the level of uncertainty is going to increase. And it's going to outweigh everything else. And new position running in 15 pips profit. Very nice.
Good afternoon from Barcelona, guys.
Hello, Mike. ¿Cómo estás, señor? Dos cervezas, por favor. Uno sangría.
Estamos aqui disfrutando con la calor.
Oh, you speak Spanish.
I've lived here for most of my life. I go back and forth now from New York.
What a life. It's like, it sounds like a dream.
Yes, I'm very, very fortunate. Good to be on the same time zone, though.
Oh, yeah. How long is the jet lag usually when you travel? Do you feel it or?
Yeah, well, yesterday I was fine, which was the first day that I was here. But last night I couldn't get to sleep until about 3 a.m. and I didn't wake up until 11:30. So not so great.
Yeah. It's I guess it's a few days until you reaccommodate to the new time zone.
And the older I get, the harder it is.
Ugh, yeah.
I'm still young and it's still fine. I've just noticed that over the years it gets progressively more difficult.
Yep, I noticed it last night as well, or this morning when I woke up. It's becoming extremely difficult to keep up drinking and socializing in the evening past your bedtime. Oh
Yeah.
my God. So I won't be so active today because I literally just got out of bed. And now we'll wait for the first data, which is going to be ADP. In 14 minutes.
I think we can see a very volatile roller coaster ride today.
Oh, mate.
With the loads of data, this is, I think we see an up and down or a down and up, and this is tricky, maybe tricky to trade, maybe easy, but I think it's a complicated thing, but depends on the data.
Yeah, we never know. Sometimes, it can be really in our favor or not. We don't know. That's the beauty of trading. Every day is different.
But in the last 2 weeks, the Asia session is banger. How much?
Really?
Whereas you're printing loads of money.
Oh, well. I think it was like 10 years ago when I attempted trade Asian session and I said never again. I was up all night. That's not for me.
Milking with the team.
Milky man.
This is team milking.
Yep, it could be tricky. So the game plan is the same as every other day. Look at the data. If the data is inflationary, sell gold. If it's deflationary, then buy gold. But today, I think because the market sentiment is so strong, time to time it gets strong. You can see these huge sell-offs when we have strong data. But then the market goes into consolidation because even the market is not too sure. Like, okay, so what's going to happen? Well, we're not too sure. Even though we have inflationary data, maybe the Fed is going to cut interest rates. So this constant debate is going on and on and on. And this is why we see more and more consolidations and very aggressive price movements. You can see on the chart. It's difficult to put technicalities on this. I think, no, actually not, because you have, the supports and the resistance levels are fairly strong. Yeah, I would say. So yeah, even technicals can, technicals work well. I need to find myself today. I'm a little bit slower and need to reboot a little bit.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, Kai. How are you?
Hey, good morning. Good afternoon.
Hi, Thomas.
Hello, Ernest. Hello, everyone.
How are you?
I'm shit.
Hey, Thomas.
Absolutely.
Good.
I feel it's not good. What are you talking about? It's bad.
Thomas is hammered.
Absolutely. It's when you have only alcoholic friends. Oh God.
I don't drink alcohol since 8 months now.
It's good.
Wow.
Touch it.
Good for you.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it anymore.
We had
I had 2 beers and some patatas bravas last night. More than I've had in a while.
I think I had about a bottle of whiskey. I downed it last night, 3/4.
Crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah. But I was doing the ribs, the barbecue ribs in the afternoon. I started at noon. All right, have a little wine. That was cool. Family came. Food was amazing. Very good. Turned out very good. And then I didn't know that some of my friends were planning to come over, but it was like 8:30. 8:30, I'm in bloody bed. Or have a shower and go to bed. And they just turned up like, okay, yeah, I have some ribs left. We had a dinner, and they're just starting talking and drinking, and then more friends came, and suddenly like 16 people on my terrace. Like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, so I fed them.
Sounds funny.
It was fun. It was very good. Very good. I mean, obviously when you have friends, it's good. I wasn't expecting them, but you have to, like, okay, let's have a toast, let's have a drink, and then one idiot, oh, let's have some shots. Like, oh, fuck me.
Let it run, bro.
That's where it gets messy.
Yeah, I felt good. I went with the flow and everything, but the next day, when you will understand this suffering, Kai, when you get older. I think Mike, Adrian, and some of the other guys from the B side understand the pain.
The veterans, bro.
Classics, not veterans. Classics.
But this poison situation on the next day is horrible. Tank is empty, energy is low.
Yeah, the whole day is wasted.
Yes.
It's an absolute shame. But anyway, we're here to make some money.
Yes.
Hopefully the data is going to favor us. Now the position I have, 2 positions from yesterday, closed majority of the profits, and I think I'm going to lock in another. It's running at, how much is the profit? £1,500. So I'm going to lock in 1,000 because that is serious money. £1,000 is. I'm not going to leave it on the table. Yep, and it's locked. I entered into another buy position, but this is, speculation. It's only gambling when you lose it, so for now it's only speculation.
Thomas, I just have a question for you, or maybe the community. I don't know, maybe anyone would have a clue on what but do you know the benefits of having a self-invested personal pension instead of taking it out and being tax efficient and stuff like this?
I'm not really. It depends on the country and the benefits. You need to ask a financial advisor who's familiar with these things, because there are benefits, but as I said, each country has different rules. The personal pension can be, tax-free. It can be tied into investment funds, so it can be an investment as well, which could give you higher yields than it would normally. There are multiple.
Oh, okay. So if you were looking at SIPs, then what sort of funds, what do they invest in? Is it just companies, or what is it?
Usually, well, it's a portfolio, so they don't just invest in one particular thing. Usually it's stocks and bonds, especially when it comes to pensions. Usually it's stocks and bonds. It's about 80-20 or 60-40, something like this.
Okay, thank you.
And also, these are called liability-driven investments. So when the fund knows that they have a liability to pay your pension in 10 years' time, that's how they accommodate and allocate the investments, because it's driven by liability, and liability is your asset because that's your pension, but they have a liability to pay. But they're going to pay, if everything goes well, they're going to pay from the profit and not from the capital.
Sure.
13 pips profit for now, and we have 5 minutes until ADP is coming out. Now, have a look on the chart, because this is how you must, or how you should approach every high impact data. It's a simple equation. If the data is inflationary, gold buy, gold sell. If it's deflationary, gold buy. Simple as that. The market sentiment is fairly bullish on gold, which, many factors contribute to this bullishness. Obviously, one of the biggest one is the expectation for a Fed rate cut. Then you have the weakening dollar, softening yields, and one of the biggest, in my opinion, is uncertainty. The increasing uncertainty. Uncertainty is always good for gold. When things aren't certain, with the stock market and with other investment opportunities, gold usually outperforms everyone and every asset.
I think you've said this before, Tomas, but it's fair to say that the ADP non-farm employment change is less impactful than the actual data released in a couple days.
Like NFP.
Right. Yes.
Less important. What was the first part? Sorry.
The ADP is less important than Friday's non-farm pay employment change.
Yeah, I think we can say that. And also, both of them, actually, NFP is more misforecasted than ADP. But let's have a look on the data quickly. Yeah, the deviation, the standard deviation on NFP is way wider than ADP. So actually, I think these ADP guys, even though this is a private database of payroll data, it's more accurate than NFP. I don't know, probably different methodology for forecast and calculation, but it's wild that no, actually they have some wide swings as well. Look at that, 500,000 versus 228. It's double. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
so I take it back. Even ADP is shit. Absolute crap. Anyway, this week, because we have Independence Day in the great United States of America, today markets are going to close early, so make sure that you plan accordingly. If you have to, close, log profit, whatever. Tomorrow is going to be whole day off. No US market. And because the bank holiday tomorrow, the data is pushed to today. So jobless claims is released today instead of tomorrow. Currently going with the flow, have some long positions on gold and eagerly waiting for the data.
1 minute. 1 minute, 5 seconds.
Yep. Place your bets, get your credit cards ready. We have ADP coming up. This is how you should trade it. So lower ADP buy gold, higher ADP Most likely it has to be significantly higher, but it's going to push down gold. We have 40 seconds to go.
Amos, I forgot I bought silver a few days back at 29.2.
How is it? How much is it now?
At 30.2.
About 100 pips.
Yeah.
Wow.
I forgot. I just had a look now. Bloody hell.
Oh, very nice. 20 seconds to go.
Take some profit. Let's go.
We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And it's less.
Lower.
So the buy
150.
position, yeah, the buy position is safe now. You can enter now, another buy. It's going to hopefully push higher. It's very nice data. It's lower than the forecast, lower than the previous one. And 152, 152. Let's see if there was any revision. Actually, the last one was revised higher, but you know it's good for our long positions. It should be good in theory. Anything is possible, so I don't want to jinx it. But because the data is lower than expected and the previous one, in theory it should give a nice little push to the gold. Now UJ just keep pumping. The dollar is strengthening. What the fish is happening?
Wow.
Let's have a look on the market.
I'm in a UJ short.
Would I short UJ? That's you asking, Manjit?
No, I was saying that I am in a UJ short.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a strange reaction. Very nice data, yet gold doesn't want to go higher. Neither drop. It
might be waiting for the news in 15 minutes before making a decision.
Yeah, it's today ISM is one of the strongest data. The ISM non-manufacturing. Obviously, the US is service-based economy, so the PMI, non-manufacturing PMI, is what's needed. It's what driving the market. But I thought the jobless claims, the jobs data is going to be have more effect. 12 minutes until the next data, which is going to be continuing and initial jobless claims.
If you look at the DXY, it did drop. It reacted.
Yeah, dollar is strengthening despite the news, despite the data.
No, dollar drops.
They're both dropping.
Weird market. Welcome to summer trading. Absolute shite. Absolute shizzle.
Yep.
So all we have to do is focus on the next set of data, which is going to be jobless claims. Same drill. Higher jobless claims should push gold higher. Lower jobless claims should send gold to hell. There you go. Actually, I'm going to post it to the public Telegram group. Those of you who are not following my Telegram channel, I'm going to send out into the YouTube chat the link. Hold on.
Here comes the comics open, so some volume will come in about 25 seconds. That might push things.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to drag it down a little bit and then move higher.
Yeah.
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, puppy. Thank you, Balmic. It was a happy birthday. And 30 pips from the third position. That's a new position today. A few hundred. 40 pips. Very nice. Who's making money?
I'm making money.
Me too. I'm closed down
Very
my
nice.
sell and jump into the buy. Good decision.
Well done, brother.
Buy high.
Buy high, sell low.
Yes.
Very nice. Easy life. Sit down, do the analysis, wait for the data, pull the trigger, make money. Easiest job in the world, isn't it?
Hardest way to make easy money.
I wouldn't say either.
Easiest to make, easiest to lose.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Wow, G's flying.
UJ?
GG.
No, GU. GJ as well.
Oh, yeah.
UJ.
Looks like the pound is strengthening.
Slow market today. So far. But 40 pips is 40 prips. Happy days. I should have gone in with some heavier lots, but that would have been risky.
We are on the buy from the pivot in Asia session. It makes
Really?
200 pips. Yes, it makes 200 pips, brother, from the daily pivot.
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw Thomas had a good entry. He sent out the signal at the pivot. That was a nice call. That's very about.
Blank trade.
Yeah.
Asia, we killed in the Asia session in the last 2 weeks. Crazy.
Yeah, I've seen
Loads of
Eisenhower. Eisenhower is doing
The
running
setup
the
from
Asian.
Eisenhower, yes, the setup from Eisenhower works in Asia session very well. When the market is high volatility, Thomas, then it works not so good, and during news. And when the market after the news, the New York session works then very well again. You know, at 4:30 European time. My time is 6:30. Then back to the chart and looking for the entries.
If it makes money, don't stop.
Yes, we're milking. But the last weeks are very good. You make the 100 pips, 150 pips pen. This is crazy. This guy is, it's like a bank, a pip bank.
Yeah,
you
he's
can't
good.
follow. You can't follow blindly, brother.
Risk management, yeah, because you know
Yes, of
everyone
course.
has losing
Yes.
trades.
10
So-
lots or something like that.
It's a different trading style than me. I like to do 1 or 2, maximum 3 trades a day.
Yes.
What Thomas and Angelo, they do quite a lot of trades, which is, you know, it's different style. But if it makes money, then do.
Take it. 5 minutes to jobless claims, huh?
Oh my god. Luckily, I already bashed out the plan for you guys. So you don't have to think. And this is why it's important if you make, you know, 20, 30, 40 pips, take some money off the table, because in 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 2 hours, we're going to have different data, and that can, depending on the data, everything can change. If you have a significant deviation in the next set of data, good or bad, it's going to affect everything.
It will be a long stream today, Thomas. A long stream for you. A lot of work.
It's already long. I mean, I'm so hangover.
It's having trouble here. It wants to push up, but it's having trouble.
Sorry, Mike, what was that?
I said it wants to push up, but it's having some trouble.
Yeah.
There's a lot of sellers around this 50 level, isn't it?
Yeah, let them come. Cunts.
Rico is milking the US 30, huh?
Angelo is buying. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Let's see, Batis. What is Batis doing? Good old Batis. Gold speaking bullish to me after another language. Yeah, he's bullish as well. Good. And we have 2 minutes until jobless claims. 1 minute. Oh my god. It's very exciting.
Dollar is dropping.
Good.
Yes.
Dropping, but kind of holding steady for the last 7 or 8 minutes.
Let's put some deep house on. One minute. And jobless claim is coming up. Remember, if jobless claims comes out higher than expected, that is deflationary, because the more people claim unemployment benefit or, you know, claims, the less money is going to circulate in the economy, because obviously, you know, going on a claimant count is significantly less than on salary. The lower the jobless claims, the higher the inflation, because wage inflation currently is the #1 enemy of the Fed, and that is going to be a sell for gold. So we have 30 seconds to go. Remember, higher jobless claims, gold up, lower jobless claims, gold down. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the YouTube chat for my Telegram, and I post some wisdom every day. And here we are. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there is the jobless claims. Wednesday. Can someone shout it out?
Slightly higher.
Higher.
Yeah. Not
Good.
Higher.
Everything is
Both
in our
higher.
favor today. Very good.
Both higher.
Very good. Very, very good. Still holding this monstrous one lot position. Maybe enter another one just for the fun. Good. I need to restart my MetaTrader.
I think dollars are going back to 103 now by the end of the week. If NFP
Amazing. We are in deep profit. Good. Sometimes my MetaTrader does weird things on a Mac. But 60 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen. Live call, live position, live trading. No bullshit. Just analyzing. 62 pips of profit. Second one is 13 pips of profit. So far, every single data, ADP and jobless claims, came in quite deflationary, which is why gold is pushing higher. Simple trading, no wishy-washy, theories and everything, and concepts that's never heard of. It's just pure simple economics. If you'd like to join the Alpha community, go to the website and become part of the magic. Mm-hmm. 70 pips. Amazing day.
Very nice.
Good money?
Yes.
Good money.
Very good.
I think this is going to go to about 55 and maybe 56, and then might turn around.
Yeah. I'm eyeballing the 60s level, so another 80 pips would be very nice. Yeah, if you want to join, there's a discounted link in YouTube. Just sending out now. I'm going to pin it. Or you can just go straight to the website, but there's no discount there. Position running. 80 pips of profit. Every time I look away and then look back, another 10-20 pips. Price is moving higher and higher. Which is what we like, innit? What is the next data, gents? Can you help me?
ISM, durable.
ISM is 4 o'clock, so an hour and 26 minutes away. It's going to be a long wait. No, I don't think I...
So we have PMI S&P at Q2.
Yeah, the ISM is more significant.
Fine gold, keep pushing.
Do we have FOMC meeting minutes today?
Yes.
Right. Oh, yes.
Yeah, but the market will be closed by then, so it's really relevant for us now. Remember, guys, the market is closing early today. $83 pips. Very nice. Today is a good day.
3 minutes, guys.
3 minutes still.
Unemployment.
What?
What?
Unemployment claims.
For which country? Zimbabwe?
USD.
That was 6 minutes ago.
No, there's another one.
What?
And trade balance as well.
It's always negative, so... $86 pips. Who's making money?
Yeah.
Biz on you today. Mike.
Yeah, here's on me.
You paying the estrellas.
How many people we have in the Zoom here that I have to buy beer for?
So let's see.
Apologize.
137.
My screen was frozen.
Time's up by £5.
Make the money, take the money. Remember, guys. Tomasz, what's your idea for the TP? It's don't ask me. Ask your bank account. Are you able to afford to have this runner? I mean, 90 pips, guys. Don't be silly. Take the profit. You know, I can't say what to do with your money. It can go higher, but we have ISM PMI. Biggest problem that people running in deep profits, they are happy, but they don't look at the calendar, they don't look at the news, they just see like, oh, price is going up, I'm making money. But within an instant, everything can change. You can lose all of the profits that you're running currently, all of it, in a jiffy. So, ideal TP, you know, 100 pips, that's an ideal TP, but ideally it should go to 23.66. So it's another 100 pips from here. OMG. Amazing.
I want to see a closure above here where we are at 23.55.5 because there is a major weekly pivot there that I've tracked called the WM4, and a lot of times that's where buyers will take profit.
Where did you get the pivot from?
So these are normal pivots that I calculate, but then I calculate a both for the daily and a weekly, one that's called the weekly midpoint 4, which is right here at 23.55, and on the bottom, weekly midpoint 2, which is at 23.09. So what I see is a lot of times when price reaches these levels, there's a lot of profit taking, and so there'll be a bounce before a continuation. So before I get back in, I want to see a closure of at least a 5-minute candle above 23.55.5.
I think we have a clear way to. I mean, let me show you my trading view. It's easier to see. 2360. Yeah, I think 2360 is going to be the next level. From that, I see, obviously based on the previous highs, higher chances of a pullback. Multiple confirmations at 2366, 2360, 2360 to 65. Obviously, we have this sell-off, which was not the building permit. What was the data here? That was a Friday. Oh yeah, last Friday. So yeah, I'm going to close down the second position because now the steam is running out. So that is closed. And if you want to take profit, I think it's 90 pips if you take it now, but you can pull back. And remember that we have other sets of datas coming out, which is going to be ISM. First the S&P composite, and then the ISM. ISM is more important. Again, if the ISM is going to be higher than expected, gold is going to sell off. If it's lower, then gold is going to continue to pump. And what was the data, Don? Because
data is 9:45, so like 1 hour later.
Yeah,
Final
it's the
service
S&P.
and ISM service payment.
Yeah, quarter two
15
is going
minutes
to be
and-
S&P. Okay.
Also, Ligard is gonna speak.
This is what I meant about this level, 23.55.
It did pull back. If you have a look on the lower time frame. Yeah. It's very nice. And if you do the fib extension, it should be the -127 at that price level. Am I allowed to go, guys? We just literally made 100 pips.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
Take
everyone.
your time, rest a little bit,
Thank
recover.
you so much, guys. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Tomorrow is a day off.
Big day for
5
Spain.
minutes work. We made 100 pips. How amazing is that?
Nice, brother.
Beautiful.
You are
Goodbye,
beautiful,
guys.
all of you. See you guys. Have a good one.
Thank you, Tamas. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Ciao.
thank you, Tamas.
And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join the Alpha community, if you want signals, live trading, morning briefings, which currently I don't do, but from next week it will be back on, go to alphafx.eu and join the community. The money that you lose, you could spend it on education, and you could spend it on, something quality. So this isn't some signal provider, bashing out signals from Bangladesh. It is a proper academy. I was an economist. I'm still an economist, but I was used to work on the fixed income, cash equities trading floor, also risk management in capital markets for a huge commercial bank. So if you want to change something, if you want to understand how to trade, financial news, and by the way, look at the position which is currently, in 100 pips just now entered live. If you want to learn how to trade hardcore economic data, the real finance and trading, then join the community. Go to alphafx.eu and become a member today, or use the link in the YouTube chat, which has a discount. There's only 3 places left. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you made some good money today. This is the Alpha FX.